Did you ever need to convert an image into text? Perhaps you had an image with text, and you needed to extract the text from that image. In this video, you are going to see how you can do it using only Microsoft Word 365. Let's imagine that you have this image with this text. The default options in the photo viewer are to rotate it, to resize it, and so on. Step 1. Import the image to Word 365. First, you need to start the Word application. Then, go to New, and create a blank document. Next, you go to Insert and select the picture that you want to convert into text. As soon as you have the picture uploaded in Word 365, you can proceed to the next steps. You don't need to make any manual edit to the picture, to change it or to do anything else at all. Step 2. Export the document as PDF. Go to the Word 365 menu, click on File, then select Export, and export to PDF. Save your PDF file. If the PDF file opens, you can close it. You can also close the Word document without saving any changes. Step 3. Import the PDF file into Word 365. To import the PDF file, you can open a new Word document. And, this time, go to Open, then go to Browse, select the PDF document and click Open. This message will pop up. You can confirm by pressing OK, and there you are. The text that you had in the initial image is now in Word. You can edit it, change it, or do whatever you want. We hope that you like this video and find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, write them below. Subscribe if you would like to see more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.